I have tried a lot of anti-aging supplements and am so thrilled that Womaness sent me their Active Glow supplement. Let me show you why. To start off with, this is made by women, for women, specifically menopausal women, which I love as this really is a product that's made for me where I'm at in my mid-40s. And I love that it doesn't have any hormones in it, no parabens, no sulfates, no soy. This is a vegan, dermatologist-tested, cruelty-free product that you can feel really good about. But when it comes down to it, it's all about the ingredients, and what I love about this is that it has some extremely powerful ingredients. The first one is biotin. Biotin, without question, has made the biggest noticeable difference for me. With my hair, my skin, my nails, when I take biotin for long periods of time, I notice the difference. And if I stop taking biotin, I notice the difference in the wrong direction. So I have learned to love biotin supplements. On top of that, this has a more bioavailable form of turmeric in it, which I love for its anti-inflammatory properties. And then it has pomegranate extract, which is known as a fantastic antioxidant for overall skin health. And on top of that, it has hyaluronic acid, which is so great in helping your skin absorb more moisture. And this is my absolute favorite part. Beyond those 4 ingredients, the only other thing in this is the vegetable capsule it's all held in. And I love that because I do use some other supplements and I find it gets really complicated to know how much I'm taking of different ingredients when supplements like this include a lot of vitamins in them as well. So I am so glad this doesn't have any other vitamins in it. It just has exactly what I want in an anti-aging supplement, and I love that so much. And this is all you're getting, 1 vegetable capsule with all those ingredients in it, and I know you're gonna feel just as good about taking this as I do. So if you are looking for an amazing supplement that's gonna help you feel beautiful through and through, I cannot recommend Active Glow from Womaness enough.